So this is the brand new product that we just came out with today. This is a machine torch holder for the Langmuir Systems Crossfire Pro. I have one of these in the works for the Crossfire XR. This will also work for the original Crossfire if you have the motorized Z-axis. Pretty sure it will work with the original without the motorized Z-axis as well, but I have not had confirmation on that. So what this is, it's a precision torch holder with lasers to align your work. It comes with the wire you need, a battery pack, and an on-off switch, so you can wire this up right next to your laptop on the machine. Now, one big takeaway, this is not a universal torch holder. It's very important that you pick the correct size for your torch from the drop-down menu when you're selecting your torch. A lot of people want to know why it's not a universal torch holder. The problem is with universal torch holders, they create 4 highly concentrated stress loads on your torch. And even if you don't crush it upon initial installation, over time, wiggling back and forth with the weight of the wire, with fast cuts, those 4 highly concentrated stress loads are going to deform your torch and possibly damage it and keep it from working. A lot of guys, when I asked, hey, what's the diameter of your torch? When I was designing this, they would measure their torch and it was way out of round because they had been running the standard universal torch mount for quite a while. So let me show you exactly how this works in application, in like a real world application. So let's go check it out. All right, so let's say you have a sign you want to cut. You don't want to just cut a random hole in this nice square piece. You want to get the maximum potential out of this. So you're going to want to get it right here in this corner. You're going to want to make sure that your piece is, you know, square on your table. So what you're going to do is you just flip the laser on, and then you jog over to the edge. And if you want to make sure it's square, you just get it lined up with the edge here, and then you travel across, checking to see it's exactly the same amount. So now I know my piece is square, and so to line it up, I just bring it right to the corner there, and now I zero out all of my axes, and I hit start. And just like that, and you don't need to leave it run. You can just flip it off. No point wasting your batteries. And that's how it works, guys. Anyways, if you have any questions about this product, shoot me a message. Also, if you have a torch that is not listed on the website, send me the dimensions. I want to put as many of these on the website as possible. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Also, if you want more content like this, subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up. It really helps the algorithm. Thanks, guys.